Hello friends, let us start coordination chemistry, crystal field theory. In that, we will learn the definition of crystal field stabilization energy, CFSE, and formula related to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy and some examples. Now, crystal field stabilization energy of various complexes like tetrahedral complex, octahedral and square planar complexes. Let us start the crystal field stabilization energy of octahedral complexes. How will you define the crystal field stabilization energy? The total decrease in energy caused by the splitting of d orbitals and their occupancy by the electron is called crystal field stabilization energy. Means the d orbital gets splitted and that particular complex gets stabilized, and this crystal field stabilization energy can be calculated with the help of formula, that is CFSE is of octahedral complexes is equal to minus 4 dq into number of electron in T2g orbitals plus 6 dq into number of electrons in EG orbitals. Now there are two types of complexes, weak field splitting and strong field splitting. So delta O is less than pairing energy and second is delta O is greater than pairing energy. Let us consider one example of weak field D4 complexes. Here d orbital having the 4 electrons we have to feed, and it is splitted into two, that is T2g lower energy and EG orbital higher energy. So here the difference between them is delta O for octahedral and small difference. So we feel the electrons here 1, 2 and 3, fourth electron will be entered at EG level because delta O is small. Then second example, that is a strong field D4 complex, d electron again 4 electron, it is splitted into two, T2g orbital and EG orbital, there is a delta O value is large. So here the electrons will be filled first at lower energy, that means 1, 2, 3rd and 4th electron will be entered into this level, not go into the EG level because the energy difference between them is large. So delta O is greater than pairing energy. Now let us consider the another example, that is a D4 complex ion and their CFSE. So we fill these electrons here and split it into EG and T2G level. So electrons are entered into first, second and third, and fourth will be here. This is called as energy difference of average energy. So this is the lower energy minus 4 dq value, and above the average energy level there is a plus 6 dq value, and total energy difference between T2g and EG is equal to 10 dq value. Now we can calculate the CFSE for this D4 system. We can distribute the electrons in this way, T2g3 EG1. Therefore CFSE is equal to minus 4 dq into 3 plus 6 dq into 1 electron from EG and 3 electrons from T2g level. We have to put this, and now minus 12 dq plus 6 dq is equal to minus 6 dq value. Now we consider some of the examples here, that is a D1 system, T2G1 CFSE is equal to minus 4 dq into 1 is the number of electrons from T2G we place here, which is equal to minus 4 dq. Now D2 system T2G2 CFSE is equal to minus 4 dq into 2 is equal to minus 8 dq. Now for D3 configuration T2G3 and CFSE is equal to minus 4 dq and 3 electrons from T2G we have to place here, which is equal to minus 12 dq. Now D8 configuration, we distribute the electrons in EG and T2G level as T2G6 and EG2. CFSE is equal to minus 4 dq into 6 electron from T2G level plus 6 dq into 2 electrons from EG level, and plus 3p. 3p means p for pairs. T2G having the 3 electron pairs present, so we place the value 3p is equal to minus 12dq plus 3p. CFAC in octahedral complexes. We have to consider here the D10 complex ion having the configuration D10 weak field. So we feel the electrons like this. There are 5 pairs and split into T2G and EZ level these orbitals. So we place the electrons like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the energy difference minus 4 dq, and above the average energy level again plus 6 dq. Total difference is 10 dq value. Then CFAC is equal to T2G6 Eg4. CFAC is equal to minus 4 dq into 6 electron from this level plus 6 dq into 4 electrons from EZ level, and that comes to be equal to 0. Now a previous example of D9 configuration, T2G6 and EZ3, CFAC is equal to minus 4 dq into 6 plus 6 dq into 3 plus 4 pair. Here 4 pairs means here are the actually 3 pairs from T2G and 1 electron pair at EZ level. So there are 4p is equal to minus 6 dq plus p. 4p is the CFAC of this system. And now D4 configuration of strong field complex, T2G4 Eg0. So the energy gap between T2G and Eg is large, so electrons will be entered and pairs at the lower energy. Therefore CFAC is equal to minus 4 dq into 4 plus p is equal to minus 16 dq plus p. Now D5 system, T2G5 Eg0, CFAC is equal to minus 4 dq into 5 plus 2p. There are only 2 pairs are present in T2G level is equal to minus 20 dq plus 2p. And D6 configuration, T2G6 Eg0, CFAC is equal to minus 4 dq into 6 plus 3p is equal to minus 24 dq plus 3p. And D7 configuration, T2G6 Eg1, therefore CFAC is equal to minus 4 dq into 6 plus 6 dq into 1 plus 3p is equal to, there are 3 pairs here, equal to minus 18 dq plus 3p. Now we summarize the crystal field stabilization energy of weak field as well as strong field complexes. Configuration from D1 system to D5 of weak field having the distribution of electrons and their CFAC. D1 having T2G1 Eg0 1 unpaired electron minus 4 dq is the CFAC. D2 configuration, T2G2 Eg0 2 unpaired electron, CFAC is equal to minus 8 dq. D3 configuration, T2G3 Eg0 3 unpaired electron minus 12 dq. D4 configuration, T2G3 Eg1 4 unpaired electron minus 6 dq is the CFAC. And D5 configuration, T2G3 Eg2 and 5 unpaired electrons and 0 CFAC. Now the another examples, say D6 configuration to D10, and electrons are distribution like this and their CFAC value. D6 having minus 4 dq, D7 minus 8 dq plus 2p. D8 configuration and minus 12 dq plus 3p is the CFAC. D9 configuration, T2G6 Eg3 1 unpaired electron and CFAC is equal to minus 6 dq plus 5p. And D10 configuration, T2G6 Eg4 0 unpaired electron, because all electrons are paired here, so there is no any unpaired electron, so the CFAC value is 0. And now strong field complex D1 to D5, similarly we calculate the CFAC. D1 getting the CFAC value minus 4 dq, D2 configuration minus 8 dq, D3 configuration minus 12 dq, D4 configuration minus 16 dq plus p, D5 configuration minus 20 dq plus 2p is the CFAC value. And now the configuration from D6 to D10 having the distribution of electron, number of unpaired electrons and their CFAC. D6 getting the value of CFAC is equal to minus 24 dq plus 3p. D7 configuration minus 18 dq plus 3p, D8 configuration minus 12 dq plus 3p, D9 configuration minus 6 dq plus 4p, and finally D10 configuration T2g6 Eg4s are the distribution of electron. All electrons are paired in T2g as well as Eg level. So the number of unpaired electron ultimately 0 and the crystal field stabilization energy is also 0.